I was sent this really cool device to do a review on. This is nice. I think this is something that everybody should have, and I'll show you why here in a second. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you what it's all about. This is pretty cool. It's a mini jack. Alright? You can use this for almost anything, like as in carpentry work. If you need to squeeze something together, you can clamp it. If you need to pick something up, you slide it up under there and you lift it up like a little jack. Very, very nice. Not just carpentry, it can be used for almost anything, from lifting up a couch, a chair, a box, wherever you may need to get something raised up and hold it in position to where you can do what you need to do, whether vacuuming underneath a chair or a couch, or lifting up a cabinet to be able to screw it in. This is very nice. Let me show you what it's all about. See you here in a second. Alright, overall, this is a really cool device to have around the house, around the shop. I mean, it has so much potential. And it's a lot of bang for the buck. It comes with a nice little carrying case. It comes with 2 of them and everything you need to use them. Very, very nice. I hope this helps, and we will talk to you in the next one.